Hello and welcome to another Carstar video. Today we're going to be removing the steering wheel airbag from a Peugeot 208. Before you do this, make sure to disconnect the battery so you do not get a airbag light on. If you're just changing or removing the airbag to get to the steering wheel or the clock spring with the combination switch. Here we have our airbag still on the steering wheel. There will be two holes on either side of the steering wheel, one big and one small. We are going to be using the small hole with any sort of tool that you can get in there and push in on this side and give a bit of leverage so you can come out of place. And you'll need to do this for the other side as well when you push it in. So into the small hole, push it in, and you would feel there's a clip, and once you get the feeling of it, you push that one in and it will just pop out the airbag. Next, we're going to remove the plugs and wires for the airbag, as you can see in the video. These are very hard to show because they're very small clips, but the same place you can do for yourself when you're removing your one. And this is how you remove all the plugs with the cables, and I'm going to show you basically what we are doing. So in the small hole we get our tool and we're pushing that clip in on that side to release, and then we do the same thing for the other side. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe to support the channel, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.